have, has, had. I have. I have a brown jacket. I have an art class tomorrow. I have to go to the shop. You have. You have new shoes. You have to go to work tomorrow. You have a child. We have. We have a big family. We have dinner tonight. We have a blue car. They have. They have a big house. They have music lessons on weekends. They have to go to school tomorrow. He has. He has a guitar. He has soccer practice on Saturday. He has to go to the doctor tomorrow. She has. She has a karate class on Wednesday. She has a black hat. She has a boyfriend. It has. It has black stripes. It has two colorful wings. It has a trunk and two long tusks. I had. You had. We had. They had. He had. She had. It had. She had coffee yesterday. You had breakfast this morning. We had a picnic last weekend. I had a long vacation last year. They had a meeting last week.